In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and manage watchers on a Confluence page. First, open the specific Confluence page you want to review. It's important to start on the exact page because watchers are tied to each individual page and are used to notify people when that page changes. Once the page is open, look toward the top right area near the page title. You'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes labeled as More Actions or Page Options, depending on your Confluence version and theme. Click that to open the menu. In this menu, you're looking for an option related to watching. The wording can vary, so it might say Watchers, Manage Watchers, or Page Watching Settings. Any of these will take you to the same place. Go ahead and open that watcher list. A panel or dialog will appear showing everyone who is currently watching the page. This list is useful for understanding who will receive notifications when the page is edited, commented on, or updated. Take a moment to review the names here. If you see your own account and you don't want updates, you can stop watching later. If you don't see yourself and you do want updates, you'll be able to start watching from this same area. Keep in mind, watching doesn't change permissions. It only controls notifications for people who already have access. If your account has the right permissions, you can add or remove watchers from this list. To add someone, use the add field to search for a colleague and confirm the selection. They'll begin receiving notifications for this page right away, which is helpful for stakeholders who need to stay informed. To remove a watcher, use the remove or trash icon next to their name. That simply stops their notifications for this page. It doesn't revoke their ability to view it if they already have access. Be considerate when making changes and add only those who truly need updates to avoid notification fatigue. If you don't see options to add or remove watchers, you may not have the necessary permissions on that page or in that space. In that case, you can still review the list, and someone with higher privileges can make adjustments if needed. When you're finished, close the watcher settings to return to the page. Changes typically save automatically, so there's nothing else you need to confirm. That's all there is to it. Open the page, use the page options menu, check the watcher list, make any allowed updates, and close the settings. You now know exactly how to check and manage watchers on a Confluence page.